Today I'm in a 2007 Volkswagen Crafter 2.5 TDI. There you go, I've started it. Let's just straighten that steering wheel out a bit. This is owned by my good friend Mr. Graham. Show you around the vehicle. Right, let's show you under the bonnet. So today I've got a 2007 Volkswagen Crafter 2.5 TDI. This is the engine. This is owned by my very good friend, Mr. Graham.
Hello there. I've had some problems in the past. DPF filter and one thing and another. However, we've overcome those things. It's not done major mileage, but we have a sort of knocking noise. Not too heavy, but it doesn't stay all the time. We're just having this expert put his hand to it. Or a firework.
Or a firework. Let's just record that engine sound and hopefully that knocking noise, Mr. Graham, will come up at some point. Now we're just going to give it a few revs.
Big ends out there.
No, that was a shutter in the background. It's a very smooth, silky sounding engine, these 2.5 Crafters.
With the injectors. Yes, been a lot of work on this. Keep it up.
Thank you for that.
Okay, right.
Back inside. Right then, I suppose we better switch it off. Thank you for watching and see you again soon.